Yo, this is going to be a short video, so let's begin. Difference between specially and especially with an E. So people generally confuse these two words. Are they interchangeably used, or they mean the same thing, or are they different? So today I'm going to clear that for you. Specially with just an S is used for a special purpose. When there is a special occasion or you're specially making an effort for someone, that's when we use specially with just an S. जब भी कोई स्पेशल कोई चीज़ आपकी लाइफ में किसी के लिए कुछ आप स्पेशल कर रहे हो या कोई स्पेशल ओकेजन है या स्पेशल एफर्ट दे रहे हो, तब हम स्पेशली विद एन एस का यूज़ करते हैं. आई केम स्पेशली फॉर योर मार्च आउट परेड. March out parades don't happen every day. They happens like once in a lifetime if you are selected in military. So this is a special purpose. For that special purpose, we use specially with an S. Now, especially with an E, used to single out one person or thing over all others. Now there are many options available, or there are several things available, and we want to single out or point out just one thing. That's when we use specially with an S. For example, I like various sports, especially wrestling. Now there are various sports are there: volleyball, football, baseball, archery. All of these sports are available, but out of all these, I want to single out especially with an E, wrestling. That's when we use especially with an E. The boxer put out a good fight, especially in the second half. Now there were two halves, but I want to single out or point out to just one half, which was the second half, which was the prominent during the situation, maybe something like that. But दिस इज द सिचुएशन जब कई सारी चीजें अवेलेबल हैं और हम किसी एक चीज को सिंगल आउट करके दिखाना चाहते हैं कि भाई ये वाला जो है इतनी सारी चीजें अच्छी अवेलेबल है बट यही मुझे अच्छी लगा, तो इसीलिए वहां पर हम स्पेशली विद एन ई का यूज करते हैं. नाउ बोथ कैन बी यूज्ड इंटरचेंजेबली. I can use especially with an E here and it would be right, and I can use especially with just an S here and that would also be right. अगर मैं यहाँ पर स्पेशली सिर्फ S वाला यूज कर लूँ तो वो भी सही होगा, और अगर यहाँ पर मैं स्पेशली E के साथ यूज कर लूँ तो वो भी सही होगा. दोनों इंटरचेंजेबली यूज कर सकते हैं एंड सही माने जाएंगे, वैलिड है. But then why do we have these two? If they can be used interchangeably, then why have two? एक से ही काम चल जाएगा, दो का क्या करना है? So here we go. Informal, especially with just an S, is informal in nature. We use it we use it in a verbal or oral manner. जब स्पेशली विद जस्ट एन एस जो है थोड़ा इनफॉर्मल माना जाता है, जैसे हम बोलते समय या उस समय यूज करते हैं, या फिर इनफॉर्मल आप किसी को लेटर या कुछ भी लिख रहे हैं विच इज इनफॉर्मल, तो दैट इज व्हेन इट इज कंसीडर्ड गुड. But when you are writing a formal letter to someone or an application or a memorandum of appearance or anything like that, when you are writing that, we use specially because it is more formal and used in more written form. Now I'm hoping that you will never have problem understanding especially and especially with an E. And anyway you can use both of them interchangeably, so it doesn't matter anyway. If you like my video, feel free to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button and stay tuned for more videos.